Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to check your credit score on Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website if you haven't already. So you want to go to citi.com. This is the main URL that's going to open up this homepage. If you're on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the application that you have downloaded. So now we can get started. Once you're ready by the homepage, we can log in. We need to log in to our account that we want to check the credit score for. So if you have not already opened an account, you can do so right here. And if you haven't account but you want to activate it online because you haven't already, then you can go ahead and click the activate button right here. So once you have gotten your account set up and ready to go, you can log in normally, and after logging in, you're going to go and be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to display your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, your payments due, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, there are two ways we can do so. First thing is, as you can see right here on the official Citi website, there is an article how to check your credit report. Basically in the credit report, you can also take a look at your credit score. So what you're going to do is go to the official website of annualcreditreport.com. This is going to allow you to simply click the request your credit reports option and you'll be taken through the process. From there, you're going to go ahead and be able to log into your Citibank account, provide all the information that they need, and then you'll be able to take a look at your credit report that's going to go and be sent to you. But what you can also do is check the FICO score. So the FICO score on the Citibank is also one of the options that you can use for checking your credit card with your select Citi cards. Then you can go ahead and open up the FICO score, and from there take a look at what your score is for your credit cards. It's not always detailed, so what you can do is check that and check the annual credit report for both options. So basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.